Good morning to all. Today our chapter is Profit Loss Discount chapter from Innovative Math, book number 8, exercise 9.2. See the question number 1, 9.2, what is given. A man bought a watch for rupees 350, means bought means cost price given 350 and sold it for rupees 420. Selling price given 420. What was his profit percent? The first one write what is given. Question number 1, 9.2 exercise 9.2. Profit loss discount. Question number 1. What is given? Cost price given rupees 350. Selling price given rupees 420. So here selling price greater than cost price. Therefore profit will arise, no doubt. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 420 minus 350. How much coming? Rupees 70. Okay. Then you have to find out profit percent. Profit percent formula is profit by cost price into 100. Here profit is 70. By cost price how much? 350 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 7 5 is 35. 5 20 is 100. How much coming? 20. Therefore required profit percent equal to 20. Therefore required profit is equal to 20%. Question number 1 completed. See the question number 2 what is given. Question number 2 it is given. Krishna bought a piece of land for rupees 8,400 and sold it for rupees 9,408. Find its profit percent. Question number 2. Very easy question. First write what is given here. Cost price given. What means cost price given? How much? Cost price of the land is rupees 8,400. Rupees 8,400. And selling price given how much? Selling price will be 9,408. 9,408. Therefore, here selling price greater than cost price. Profit will arise. Profit का formula selling price minus cost price. 9,408 minus 8,400. How much coming? 1,000. 1,008. 1,008 is the profit. Yes or no? 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 1,008. Next you have to find out profit percent. Profit percent formula is profit by cost price into 100. Profit here 1,008 by cost price here 8,400 into 100. 2 0 cancel. How much coming? 1,008 by 84. Yes or no? Just divide, you will get the result. Okay. It is coming 12. Therefore required profit percent, required profit equal to 12%. This is the answer of number 2. In this way question number 2 also completed. See the question number 3 what is given. Question number 3. What is the cost of a bag of rice containing 50 kg? If by selling it at rupees 5.40 a kg, means selling price of 1 kg rice is equal to 5.40. Total price 50 kg. You have to find 50 kg rice selling price. There is a loss of 10%. What is given? Loss given 10%, and you have to find out cost price. Just see how to solve. In this question, selling price of 1 kg rice equal to 5.40. Okay. Therefore, total selling price of 50 kg rice will be 50 into 5.40. It is coming rupees 270. This is the total selling price of 50 kg. And loss given. Loss how much given? Loss given 10%. Loss given 10%. And you have to find out cost price. So what is the formula for cost price? Tell me, what is the formula for cost? Loss given 10%. Cost price formula is selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. So 100 into selling price you are given how much? Selling price given 270 divided by 100 minus loss percentage given 10. How much coming? 100 into 270 divided by 100 minus 10, 90. 93 ja 270, 100 into 3, 300 rupees, 300. Okay. Therefore, the cost price of 50 kg rice, 50 kg rice equal to how much you got? Rupees 300. Therefore, cost price of 1 kg rice, 1 kg rice will be how much? 300 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel, 5 6 rupees 6. Rupees 6.00 means 6 is the cost price of 1 kg rice. In this way, question number 3 also completed. One more question I do. Just question number 4. A dealer bought a carpet for rupee 2,400 and sold it at a loss of 12%. What was the selling price of the carpet? Okay. So first what is given? A dealer bought, what means cost price 2,400, loss given 12%, you have to find out selling price. Just to see how to solve. Question number 4. Question number 4, it is given cost price given rupees 2,400. Rupees 2,400, loss given 12%. Loss given 12%, you have to find out selling price. Just you have to apply the formula here. Therefore, selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into cost price. This is the formula you have to memorize. Directly you can get the selling price. Here 100 minus loss percentage given 12 by 100 into cost price 2,400. Those 0 cancel here. 100 minus 12 is coming how much? 88 into 24. Just multiply, you will get the selling price. Okay. After multiplication, 88 into 24 coming 2,112 with the selling price. In this way, 4 questions completed. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more.